In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L1800 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to open our Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, navigate to the search bar and type for Epson L1800 printer driver and click on the Enter key in your keyboard. Once you've do it, you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one or either with the link that has support. Okay, so click on that link under Epson.com, which is the official website for the Epson printer driver. So from here, you would be navigated to this new page where you can see this printer driver, which is the Epson L1800. So by that, you need to scroll down and wait until you can see a drop-down menu below where you can manually select the operating system. Once it's here, click on this down arrow key and please choose for Windows 11 and click on Go to continue. The moment you do it in a while, you'd be able to refresh this page, okay? So please wait until you can see the printer driver itself where you can download this Epson L1800. Okay, so please scroll down first and navigate to the drivers, click on it, and there you can see the printer driver. Click on this download aligning to it. In a few moments, you would be navigated to this new tab where here it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. So click on the accept button, and in that way you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then please wait until the downloading process would be finished. Once you are done, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see download icon, click on it, and there you can see the file. Please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cat icon because we need to move that to the desktop. So close the windows being opened here at the desktop. Please make a right click and go with paste. So once you have pasted this one, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool or application to extract this one. So go with WinRAR and click on extract to L1800, and in a few moments you will be able to create a new file folder, okay, which is this one. So once a new file folder will be created, we need to move to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please proceed to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it. Once done, go with the printers and scanners. Click on it. And from that, you can see there add device. Click on this add device. And wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Okay, once it's here, go with add manually. And there you need to proceed with a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. Go with next. And from that you need to go with have disk and click on the browse. And for extracted file and place at the desktop, then we need to navigate on that, then scroll down here and then locate the extracted file. Double tap here, double tap once again, double tap. Okay, and it will show you the driver. Select that, click on open and click on the OK button. Once done, you need to click on next and please rename that. In my case, I'll be setting Epson L1800 as the printer name. Go with next and eventually you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on the next button and click on finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L1800 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.